Okay, so I just got the Star Wars take two. Okay, so I just got the Saberforge Prodigy, and I'm super excited about it. Been waited like 6.5 weeks for this. So they said 4 to 8 weeks. Came in 6 weeks. I was really worried about it not coming in on time because I saw a lot of online things saying about Saberforge taking a super long time to ship. I've also seen a lot of things about like the boxes being damaged, but nah, it's cool. Don't worry about it. Anywho, this tape is super hella on here, so bear with me as I cut the tape. Awesome, alright. I'm excited. Okay. Ooh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a saber in there. Ooh yeah. So I got the Prodigy 32-inch blade. This is the 32-inch blade? Looks really short, right? It's supposed to be a 32-inch blade. Let me, It says Prodigy version 2 CHWDW. Not sure what that means. But I do not think this is a 32-inch blade. Do you? You think it is? Let me measure this. It is 32 inches, yes. Sorry, I didn't think it was 32 inches, but apparently it is. Because you said like 37 inches sometimes, like people can't duel with them because rules or whatever. Huh? Oh. Well, they had a 37 inch. Anyway, I'm not too concerned about the blade being too short because it's, yeah, I'm sure that's cool. Anyway. It's my first unboxing video. I considered making a challenge, a channel just called Kevin Unboxes Things. Kevin Buys Things, I think I was gonna name it. But nah, I think I'll just post it to my regular channel. It's dead anyway. So they definitely do protect the hell out of it. So that's good. Alright. Alright. So that came with it, charger, warranty stuff, and of course the saber. That is awesome. I do not have an Allen key though, which I thought they provide one, but I guess not. And there's a blade plug in here, which needs an Allen key, but I do not have one. But I'll get to that later. This thing is awesome. It's a lot thinner than I expected. I thought it would be a bit more bulky. But it is really cool. Oh man. This is the kill key. I'm excited to take the kill key out even. But, okay.
Saberforge Prodigy.
Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god, that's so cool. How do I turn this up? Like that. Okay, cool. I'm gonna put the kill key back in there. And, oh man, this is so fucking cool. Wow. It really is a lot smaller in my hand than I thought it would be, but it's not a complaint either. This thing is badass. Also, I saw another video online where they were like talking about the weathered finish. And they were talking about how like they thought it was like rubbing off with their finger, but I'm not getting that at all. So it's a good thing that I didn't throw out the warranty stuff, because in the warranty paper I found this little tiny little Allen wrench. And yeah, by the way, I just charged it for a little bit, and I didn't realize that the bunny ears, like I thought the bunny ears I could set it on the table, while charging, but the charging thing is right here, so that's like impossible. So you need to put it on the side. So I'm not really sure what the bunny ears are for. Maybe if you're just sitting it, if you're not charging it. But I'm gonna take this thing off. At least I think I should. Yeah, I can. I feel it slipping. There we go. Okie dokie. Da 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 da. Also, I already messed with the settings on my saber so that the like the flicker and the volume and all that. It's not as easy. It's not as hard as I thought it would be. I thought it would be difficult because I don't know. I thought I don't know. You just like hold it and then press. You'll get the hang of it. Don't worry about it. Don't stress about it like I did.
Saberforge Crimson.
Main menu.
Oops.
Select optical
I
frequency.
accidentally turned it back on. I guess I'll mess with the settings again.
Select sound intensity
Oops.
low. Select impact sensitivity 1. Select motion sensitivity 1. All settings saved.
I was trying to skip because I wanted that flicker.
Main menu. Select optical frequency 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Select sound intensity low. Select impact sensitivity 1.
You know what? I'm kind of not really liking the super flicker. I thought I would.
Select motion sensitivity 1.
I'm gonna go
All
back.
settings saved. Select sound intensity low. High. Muted. Low.
I think low is probably good. Oops. Well, I just hit the bed and it did register that I hit something, so that's good. I think if you press the button, it makes like a sound effect. Like you're blocking up. You know, you watch the movies. Cool, well I want to take this outside, so let's go. I'm out here in the wind, and I'm gonna play with it about out here. I tried turning it on inside, and I accidentally went to the menu. So we'll see if I can turn it on in one shot here.
Saberforge Crimson. Saberforge Gun.
I clicked it up again.
Saberforge Prodigy. Saberforge Prodigy.
Saberforge.
See, now I don't know how to turn it on without going to the menu. This is a deep red saber, and it does look kind of pink in the outdoors. But I do have just the regular blade, not the day blade. A lot of people recommend that, so I guess if you're outside, I guess you need the day blade if you want your true color. I am going to see if I can turn it off, and I'm going to see if I can turn it on. I can turn it off, no problem. Can I turn it on? No problem.
Saberforge Gun Metal. Saberforge Gun Metal.
Saberforge Viridian.
I was worried that I wouldn't figure out how to get to the menu.
3, 4, 5, 1. Select sound intensity.
I did figure it out. So to turn it on, it's weird because to turn it off, you have to hold it for like 2 seconds. To turn it and then it's on. Boom. The point is, it's easy once you get the hang of it. Oh yeah, one more thing. I was concerned from the videos online that the sound, that the high volume would be a lot louder than it is, but it's actually not super loud, so don't worry about that. And that is pretty much the end of this.